So what we're going to be doing now is creating a style guide. So this is a very basic style guide and it's perfect to just get started with. We don't need to go in depth any more than this, but we can create, this can really help us a lot when it comes to building our website, having somewhere to start when it comes to our color palette, our logo, our font styles, and it's just going to make our website so much more consistent and really help us to build it quickly, okay, and make it look good as well. So the three things that we're going to be covering here are the logo and two different styles of logo. So we're going to have a full logo like this online business liftoff one right here, and then a square logo, because sometimes you use them in different areas, and some of them work better as a small square logo like this, or round logo, and some of them work better as longer, where you can see the whole thing, the whole your business name. It's not necessary to have one like this, but I like to create two versions just in case. All right. The next thing is the color palette. Actually, let's do color palette first, then the logo, then we'll do the font styles, okay? So this is a template right here. If you want to copy this template, I will have shared a link with you, and what you can do is, let me have a look. So it is a template, see all. Oh. Yep, it's not working for me. Here we go. Template. So this is what this is. We can create a template, which means I can share it with everyone. Okay. So now when I share this as a template, copy that. I'll open a new tab, a new window actually. Cool. Now I believe that this is the one that you're going to get. Let's see here. What does that do? Share? No, we want a template. Give me a template. That's all right. Anyways, what we'll be doing is I'll be sharing this with you, and you'll be able to edit it in your own Canva, Canva account. And what I'm going to do now is just actually, I'm going to show you one that I've made before. Don't mind me, should have figured this out before. So this is one that I've come up with already, and this is what we're going to be creating. So I just decided that I was going to create a dummy business, and it's going to be called Motorbike Hero, and it is it's a online service that helps people to fix their own motorbikes, because I have just created that as a thing. It's probably a thing that exists already. So here we go. I've already copied and pasted this template, and you can see here that I've changed the color, changed the fonts, and created the logos for it. And this is what we're going to be creating, and I'm going to show you what process I went through in order to create this. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I created the color palette. See you in the next video.